Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Redmi Buds 4 Pro with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and write Bluetooth. Now click enter and then add Bluetooth. Then open your charging case and press and hold functional button right here for at least 3 seconds. Here we go. Did we have it? Maybe I should make it again. Okay, here we go. Now click on your headphones at the device list and then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!